know it's been like 9-10 months since I basically uploaded a video, and I'm sorry, but what can I do? Life hits you and you just get busy. JK guys, I'm not even busy half the time, but I don't know, it's just I just get lazy to like set up, record, and then yeah. But I recorded another video, but the thing is that my camera does take forever to upload, to import the clips to my computer, and I get frustrated. I'm like, bro, we're gonna be playing games now or what? Like, so that's why I have another video recorded. I just haven't imported like the other half of the clip, because when I say it takes forever, it takes forever. But let's hope that I have patience now to import all these clips. But yeah guys, so I'm back with a tutorial on these beautiful eyes of mine. I did the sunset eyes and my highlight's blinding. I swear my highlight looks weird on camera. I swear it does not look that weird in person. It looks better in person. Like, I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I'm like, girl, where your man at? Oh, I cracked myself up. But yeah guys, so I did this tutorial. So if you want to learn how I created this, just keep on watching, and don't forget to follow me on my social medias. They're gonna be on the screen as always, and they're gonna be down in the description box as always. All right guys, let's get right into the video. All right y'all, so obviously you guys could see that I already did one eye, because then I take too long, and I don't want this video to be long, but I already know it's gonna be long anyway, so I'm sorry about that. But y'all can admire me long, because I usually go MIA after posting a video, and I'm like, bitch, get it together and start posting more. So I'll try. But anyways, I'm gonna be using the Morphe 35B palette today, and it's this colorful one. And lately I've been into colorful looks. I don't know why, but I'm like, bitch, let's add some color into your life. So I'm gonna be using this yellow right here, and I'm gonna be putting it on my crease as a transition color. I don't know, it's just the sunset eye, so you know, you go from yellow, orange, and then darker, and then a pink. So yeah, but so I'm gonna just be applying this onto the crease and blending away, because you know we gotta blend properly. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this. So after we're done blending the yellow, or applying it, whatever you want to call it, we're gonna take this orange right here and we're gonna apply it to the crease, but we don't want to apply it too high, because then you're gonna like get rid of the yellow, and then what's the point of the sunset if you can't see the yellow? So yeah, so just apply it, and remember, start with small amount and slowly build up the color. Don't be like Wendy and just apply the whole damn color right away, because then it's gonna be harder to blend. I do that sometimes where I'm like in a rush, and I'm like, you know what, the faster I pick up the product and the more I put like on the brush on one swipe, you know, I'm like, you should have waited, Wendy. But yeah, so we're just gonna apply this and blend and build it up slowly. All right, all right. Alright guys, so after we apply that and like get it to like how we want it to, we're gonna darken it up. But this palette doesn't have a darker orange, so what I do is I go with that same orange, this one, and the color above it, which is like a red orange. I don't know, it's a dark red sort of. And I mix these and I apply it to the crease, but like right like in the crease. So I go with a smaller brush and I apply, because you know, we're not trying to like take away from the other orange, we're just trying to darken it up, you know, so it could look like a sunset. And I just do that and like blend away, because you know, the key to success to having a nice eyeshadow is blending. Trust me, I've learned that. Many girls learn that. Some of them are still in the process of learning, but we'll get there. Yeah, we're gonna go with the pink, and what I'm gonna do, I added glitter, obviously you could tell, but I added this hot pink color first, this one right here. Yeah, I apply this to my lid before I go in with the glitter, just so I know where exactly I'm gonna apply the glitter and like how much more blending I need to do, you know, so everything looks good and amazing, because you know, we're all trying to look cute as fuck. And you know, we're trying to be everyone's sunshine and like sunset, you know. Since it's a gloomy day today, I'm gonna be everyone's sunset because we're not having one today. So you're welcome. You know, you don't need to thank me. It's fine. I already know I'm everyone's sunshine. You know, that's why everyone needs a Wendy in their life. But some people just don't understand. And I'm like, whatever, it's your loss. I'm not losing anything. Alright guys, so we're gonna go with the glitter, and the glitter I'm gonna be using is the NYX Glitter Brilliance in the number 09, but it's this red, I guess you could say, but it's like a hot pink. Looks like this. I don't know if my camera's gonna pick it up or not. I don't think it's gonna pick it up. Fuck. So, but it looks like this. And the glitter the glitter primer I'm gonna be using is the NYX Glitter Primer, and it looks like this. Once again, I don't think my autofocus is gonna focus. And then I'm gonna go with a small brush to apply the glitter. I'm gonna apply some to the back of my hand, some glue, and apply it to my lids. You know, we gotta be careful because we're not trying to overdo the glitter and like put it on the whole lid, because then it's not gonna look good. Trust me, done that mistake previous times. So, you know, just make sure you get it where the pink is mostly, and then after you apply, you could check what other spots you need to apply more to. So yeah, we're gonna get some and apply it. Just dab it on there, press it so it could stick on. To finish off my eyes, I'm gonna be using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I love this, and this is honestly the only drugstore high-end mascara that I've tried, and I love it. I'm not a high-end type of person for mascara, to clarify, because you're like, how come you say you're not high-end? Just mascaras. Like, I don't splurge on mascaras because I'm like, dude, they basically do the same, at least to my eyelashes. I mean, there's some that I'm like, this makes my lashes even longer, and so, but I just apply mascara before my lashes, so I'm like, it doesn't really matter, I just need something, let's go. And then for lashes, I'm using the Makeup Shack lashes in the style Mariah. These are so freaking gorgeous, guys. Like, honestly, my eyelash collection has grown over the past year or so. Actually, the year, because I only started wearing lashes last summer, and I'm hooked. Like, I don't care if I'm just wearing foundation, eyeliner, and highlight, whatever. I'm gonna pop some eyelashes because they complete the look, and like, they make me look a little more presentable. So I'm like, bitch. But yeah, guys, so these are the ones I'm gonna be using, and I'll be right back once I pop them on, because I'm not doing this on camera because, yeah, no. Alright guys, so now that I finished applying that, I actually also added black eyeliner to my bottom of my eyelashes. I mean, to my top waterline, whatever it's called. You guys get the point. So I added that to both eyes, and yeah. But for primer, I'm gonna be using the Pores No More Pore Refiner Primer, and it looks like this. My camera is not like picking this up, but like, yeah, I just know it looks like this. And I'm also gonna be spraying my face with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in the Gold Light version when you get Twitter notifications. But anyway, yeah, follow me on Twitter, guys. So I'm gonna be spraying this as well, because I love this because it gives me like a dewy look, and I like looking dewy as fuck. So for foundation, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and it looks just like this. You guys have seen it. YouTubers have been raving about it. This has been my favorite foundation at the moment. I was in love with the NARS Lightweight Radiant Foundation, something like that. It's good. I still love it, but I just prefer this one. I don't know why. Yeah. And usually I'm in the shade 130, but with this heat wave, I literally feel like I got tanner. So I just went a shade darker, which I hope it matches me. I feel like it does, because that's what I use to clean my eyebrows in the top, and like, it looks fine. So yeah, so I'm gonna just apply this. And I'm gonna be applying it with my beauty blender, my Morphe beauty blender, whatever. Yeah, we're just gonna dot this all over our face. Can you guys see how like beautiful this foundation is? Like, oh my lord, yes bitch, fuck it up. So for concealer now, I'm gonna be using the Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS. And I just like applying like a little dot of the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer just because it's a little lighter and I feel like it brightens up more in my eyes because, you know, I don't know why I sleep late and I wake up early. Like, that doesn't make sense, and I'm in some break. So I'm like, you know what, whatever. But my under eyes are not that bad. So I'm gonna just apply this under my eyes and blend it out. So now to bake my face, I like going with the Makeup Revolution London baking powder in the shade Banana. I feel like this does a good job. Like, I feel like it leaves my face looking like smooth and silky. I don't know. Like I said, Daisy recommended it, so ever since then I've been hooked, and I barely got my hands on it, so I've been trying it. So I just go with my beauty blender and I just apply the baking powder. So after I let this bake for a while, I like going with my powder, which is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro powder in the shade Warm Natural, and I like dusting it off and setting the rest of my face with this, just because, you know, I'm trying to look matte but glowy at the same time. I don't know. I'm trying to have my face set so it does not move, but I want to be glowing too, but not like I'm sweating. I don't know, but this is what I do just to set my face even more and so my makeup won't move. So now to add some color back into my face, because look, I look hella not good. I like going with my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and I apply this first before I go in with my contour stuff. And then just to contour my face, I like going with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I like mixing these two colors right here. And I just go with a smaller brush, like a smaller dense brush, and I just contour my cheeks even more. So now I just like going with that baking powder to define my cheekbones, you know, after I contour them. Why do I let that bake for a little? I'm not gonna let it bake too much. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush, and this is the same one I use, the Milani blush in Luminoso, and this is so beautiful. I feel like it complements me amazing. To finish off the eyes, I'm gonna just go back and basically apply the same colors that I used on the eyes to the bottom lower lash line. So it's not that hard. Just go, I'm gonna go in from the pink, the orange, and then the yellow, so basically work backwards. Yeah, so it's not that hard, guys, so don't make it too complicated on yourselves. Now for everyone's favorite part, my highlight. Like, I'm gonna be blinding y'all right now. So I like going with my Morphe and Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise palette, and I like going with Maui, which is this one right here. And you guys could obviously tell that I hit pan, and I'm so sad because that means I have to go get a new palette because I love that shade. So I'm gonna apply that, and I just apply it to my cheekbones with the fan brush that it came with. Honestly, I like this as a base because honestly this is not blinding us at all. At least in my opinion, it's not. So the next highlighter I go in with is the Maybelline one, the Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold, and it looks like this. This is honestly my second highlighter I bought because the first one I definitely hit pan already, like it's gone. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this with my beauty sponge. Honestly, applying your highlighter with your beauty sponge is a lifesaver. Like, it just goes on beautiful, and like, you guys are gonna see. So I apply this on my cheekbones and I just dab it on there. So next, guys, I go in with my Makeup Forever highlighter, and this is in Pro Light Fusion. I go with this, and the same thing, I go with my sponge and I dab it on there because we're trying to have this highlight to be popping. So the last highlighter I use is always a loose highlighter. I know you guys might be like, God damn, Wendy, how many do you use? First of all, you see this highlight, it's popping, so don't even question it. But I use the Shayla ColourPop collaboration loose powder highlighter in the shade Booming. Guys, this is such a pretty shade, and I just go with my beauty blender. Once again, when I say your beauty sponge is your best friend for your highlighter, it is. And you guys might be like, bitch, that's not even blended. I'm not done with my highlight weight yet, so just wait. Like, I'm not even done. So I just apply this, and we're just gonna like, I'm definitely gonna be someone's highlight of the day and sunset of the day. So once I'm done applying all my highlighters, I go with a small stippling brush and blend everything away so all the harsh lines are blended. And yeah, we're just gonna blend away. And like, look, oh my lord, I look hella bomb. I mean, when don't I, but y'all, my highlight has me shooketh like always. Whose glazed donut am I gonna be today? So now for lips, I'm obviously gonna do a nude color because I would have done a red, but I don't know. And lately I have not been into the reds. I'm like, I'm gonna just do something nude. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a lip liner. It's from the brand NYX and it's in the shade Leon. So it's this one. I'm gonna use a matching soft matte lip cream, and then on top of it, I'm gonna use the NYX lipstick in Ruffle Trim. It's amazing. And then at the end, I'm gonna decide if I want to add gloss or not, because you know it's a hit or miss. It depends what mood I am. I don't know if I want it matte or if I actually want to add gloss. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. Okay guys, so I ended up deciding to wear a gloss, and I'm gonna be wearing the Dose of Colors, the Daisy and Katie collection. And over the top, this is so amazing. I'm like, yeah, just because I want my lips to be glossy and popping and like looking luscious. There we go. Now to set my face, you guys might be crazy, but I use like 4 setting sprays, and I honestly, I'm not ashamed of it, because you know, at least my face is gonna be set. So the first one I go is with the Fix Plus, the gold light version one. And I spray this, and then I go in with my Morphe setting spray, and then the last one I use is the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and voila, my face is set. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun doing it actually. Like, I forgot how much fun it is to like talk to the camera and just talk away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Be the sunset to your man, to your future man, to your boo, to your fans. I don't know, to yourself. Okay guys, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't be fake as fuck, just subscribe. And yeah, oh, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. They're gonna be on the screen like always, and they're gonna be down in the description box as well. But yeah guys, so until next time, bye.